Alrighty guys, good morning. Happy Friday to everybody. Hope you guys are having an amazing morning so far and have an overall good day here for today. What's up everybody? Hope y'all are doing great. Let's go ahead and see who we have in the chat here for today. We have North Carolina Outdoors, we have Aiden, we have Prepper, we have TRG. Let's go ahead and see. We have Randy, we have Matto, we have Henry. Let's see here. We have Kayla. What's up, guys? James. What's up, everybody? Hope y'all are doing good. Like I said, glad to have y'all here so far for this morning. We got a pretty busy day here for today. We're talking a pretty decent severe weather event that is scheduled to happen for today across portions of the Midwest and portions of the Western Ohio Valley. We're going to need to be looking out for severe weather of all hazards, including tornadoes here for today. So we'll make sure to be looking out for that. Now, for this portion of the live stream, we're going to go over the entire outlook. So you guys are definitely want to pay attention to this. We're going to talk about the percentages, what areas are mostly impacted, all of that. And then we're going to switch over to the members side of the stream where we're going to be doing our personal forecast. Reason we changed this to members only now is just because it's too crowded with everybody else. And it's just to give a special thanks to our members. But all right, guys, well, let's go ahead and hop on into this. We're going to first of all take a look here at today's convective outlook. We got ourselves a pretty large... I tell you what, we are talking a pretty large slight risk here for today. Let's go ahead and hop over here to... wrong screen. Let's go ahead and hop over here to the convective outlook here for today. Let's see, Jim! Thank you so much. Member for 1 month. Member for 1 month. Category 1 club. Thank you so much, Jim. Glad to have you on the team here, man. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. But anyways, that is essentially what we're talking about. No, turn off members only mode right now. I'm allowing everybody to talk right now. Whenever I get to the point, I'll change it. Actually, I'm going to change it myself here. I'll change it back to subscribers. But yeah, no, seriously, guys. Yeah, we'll actually go ahead and we'll have the subscribers only right now. And then we'll change it to members only in a minute. But whenever it comes to it, my friends, we are talking ourselves. We have a slight risk across portions of northeastern Kansas, portions here of central and northern areas here of, obviously, except Missouri. We have Illinois. We have portions here of Indiana. We got Kentucky here also in the slight risk. Eastern Iowa, portions of central and western Wisconsin here, as well as portions along, like I said, eastern portions of, like I said, obviously here portions of central and eastern sides of Minnesota inside the slight risk here as well. So like I said, we have ourselves a pretty decent slight risk, including some pretty populated areas like Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri. We got obviously areas like Chicago, Illinois in the big risk here, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Minneapolis, Minnesota. So we are talking some pretty, populated cities possibly in the risk here for severe weather for today. So we'll need to definitely be looking out for that. So we're going to hop you all over here to the actual Storm Prediction Center's page because I do want to do a breakdown here regarding the activity here. So whenever it comes to the overall activity here for today's severe weather, we have the big slight risk in effect. We got a 2% chance for tornadoes, okay? Now this is going to be kind of isolated across portions here of central northern Illinois into northeastern portions of Missouri, also for portions of eastern, kind of southeastern Iowa and southern Wisconsin is kind of what we are talking about here, okay? So overall, that is essentially what we are, that's essentially what we're looking at here for tornadoes. Now, like I said, the odds for tornadoes today are fairly low. It's only a 2% chance, so we're not expecting any widespread tornado activity. But a tornado or two could happen somewhere across the areas here in the dark green area. It's just enough of a threat to not be completely ruled out, okay? Meaning that we can't just say that there's going to be no tornadoes, essentially. So basically, like I said, obviously that's just kind of, we're talking about. So we're not expecting no tornadoes, but like I said, we're not expecting an abundance of them either. So overall, things are looking, relatively okay regarding tornadoes. Now, it gets you with the hail and the damaging winds. Here's the damaging wind threat, 15% chance across that entire slight risk area here. There's a chance, 15% chance across the yellow of seeing damaging winds, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour. Could be possible in terms of those wind gusts per se. Across the brown, there's a smaller chance, 5% chance here of seeing some damaging wind gusts up to 60 to 70 miles an hour, but the odds are fairly low. And then once we move into the hail aspect, we got ourselves 2 areas of possible hail. This was one large mass, but they kind of broke it up into 2 different locations here. So northeastern Kansas, obviously a lot of Missouri included here, Illinois and southern Iowa. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, Proxy! Just donated $45 to our Venmo. Thank you so much, Proxy. That's so sweet of you. That's so nice of you, Proxy, saying thank you for all you do for us, Andrew. You are very welcome, Proxy. Well, thank you so much for the whopping $45 super chat. Wow, Proxy. Or it's not even a super chat, it's a Venmo donation, but thank you, Proxy. Y'all give Proxy a big thank you. That's super sweet. Prox, thank you so much. Once again, very, very nice of you. But like I said, we are talking across the 15% chance areas here. We have ourselves, like I said, a pretty decent shot at seeing some potential hail, maybe 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. So that is something that we need to be obviously looking out here for. Once again, Proxy, thank you so much. That's very, very sweet of you. But anyways, so that's the overall risk here today, guys, for today's convective outlook here. Once again, we have it all across these areas here. Now, timing of the storms here, it's a little interesting, okay? It's a little bit interesting here. So whenever it comes to the actual timing here, of the severe weather, it kind of seems like a lot of these cells start to explode here, kind of around like late afternoon, almost evening here, or sorry, it is in the evening here, kind of showing maybe around 6, 7 o'clock or so. So it might be another late day again. Oh my gosh, Proxy again with a 30 super chat. Holy cow, Proxy. Thank you so much, Prox, saying time for the man, the myth, and the legend, the master weather tracker and educator, Andrew. Well, thank you, Proxy. That's super sweet. Y'all, please give Proxy a big thank you. That is so nice of you, Proxy. Thank you so much, Prox. You obviously did not have to do that. Super, super sweet of you. Big, big shout out goes to you, Proxy. Thank you so, so much. Once again, you rock, Prox. Thank you so much for all the support. So, like I said, what I was talking about here is that, like I said, the storms are going to be popping off here kind of around, like I said, maybe 6, 7, 8 o'clock or so. Into just a bunch of big clusters. As you can kind of see, today's storm mode is not expected to really be a line of storms, but more kind of a couple of clusters of thunderstorms that could roll through. So obviously, between it looks like between maybe 6 o'clock or so until like 2 a.m. is whenever these storms are going to be kind of kicking off here overall. So, like I said, that's just kind of the timing out of this here according to the HRRR. I mean, obviously models are not perfect, so take it with a grain of salt, like I said. But like I said, we'll definitely need to be looking out for this here. We'll definitely need to be on the lookout here. Now, whenever it comes to, once again, the tornado probability here for today, guys, I'm going to hop you all back over here real quickly. Once again, so we have some pretty interesting areas here for today across the tornado probability area. Like I was saying here, let's go ahead and get rid of this layer here. But like I was saying here, whenever it comes to the tornado probability for today, Chicago's in that 2% chance here. So basically for portions of like northern Illinois, for a few areas here in extreme northeastern Missouri. I'm actually going to change the color of this to make it look maybe a little bit better for you guys. It's a little hard to make out. So let's change this back to basic here. It should make it to where you can see. There we go. That's a lot better. Okay, so yeah, so you can see a few counties in northeastern Missouri, eastern Iowa, a couple counties here too. Towards Davenport here as well, Burlington, we got Iowa City included, Rockford, Illinois, Chicago, Illinois, just kind of north of Bloomington here. This does include Peoria as well. I think that's how you say it, Peoria. Not Peoria, it's Peoria, I think. Also for south portions of Wisconsin as well. It's kind of just south here of Madison for the most part. But yeah, so like I said, there's a chance for a couple spin-up tornadoes. Generally, like I said, the odds of us getting some widespread tornado activity is fairly low. We're not expecting that many tornadoes today, but like I said, it's possible. Then once again, like I said, we have the damaging wind threats here, pretty large area for across the yellow. Like I said, 15% chance of damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible, and like I said, 5% chance across the brown, even lower threat. But anyways, that is essentially what we're looking at there. Now, I do want to do one last thing before we dive on into the members segment of today's stream. Like I said, obviously, to give a big special thanks to our members, we'll be doing the zip code forecast. It just gets absolutely crazy. Basically, it's crazy how quick this channel has grown, but it's gotten to the point where it gets so overwhelming to the point where it's like I can't keep up with the whole entire chat. So we're going to change this to members only, just saying as a big thank you to the members as well. But like I said, I allowed you guys, I allowed everybody to talk and say hello and stuff like that. That's what I wanted to do. But all right, so let's go ahead and take a look here at the precipitation outlook here for today, the potential for flooding. It doesn't look like we have that big of a threat today, so that's good news. Really not a big threat for flooding. Just a little marginal risk here for flooding across the southeast into the to the Midwest here. Portions of like Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin. A couple areas out west too, towards like southwestern New Mexico, southeastern Arizona, and actually east central California, west kind of southwestern Nevada here is included with this threat as well. But anyways, that is kind of what we're looking at. It's definitely really interesting here. regarding, like I said, today's severe weather event. But like I said, the flooding threat, well, really not too crazy. But anyways, alrighty, guys. Well, I tell you what, it is that time of the stream. I got it, Catman. Before you do anything, I got it. We're gonna go ahead and change this over here to the member segment. We'll likely lift this before the end of the live stream, so non-members can talk towards the end of the live stream. We're just doing this part just to say a special thank you to our members, obviously to give y'all a big thank you for everything you guys have done. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and kick off back to the day one outlook here. We're gonna go ahead and switch back to the radar view, and we're gonna go ahead and get on into the members forecast here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's see here. Who we have first? North Carolina Outdoors wants me to take a look here at a zip code of 27540. 27540 across portions of North Carolina. Could have never have guessed. You, my friend, are not in the risk here for today, which is good. We're not expecting any severe weather for you today. For tomorrow, same thing, and for the day after, same thing. A couple thunderstorms possible for today, for the next 3 days, really, but they're not supposed to be severe, so you should be okay. All right, Jim wants me to take a look here at 22602. 22602 across Virginia. Let's see here. No threat for even thunderstorms today. Tomorrow, there's a shot for a couple thunderstorms. Not supposed to be severe. And same thing for Sunday. No severe weather in the next 3 days for you, my friend. All right, let's see here. Kayla says Shelbyville, Indiana. Please and thank you. No problem. Let's see. 46176. 46176 across Shelbyville, Indiana here. We are looking across portions. Okay, so for today, there's no threat, which is good. Looking mighty fine here for today. Now, tomorrow, you actually are in, I believe, a slight risk. Severe threat level 2 out of 5. I think you're real close to it. Let me double check on you. See if you're in that little slight risk. Okay, so yeah, you're right next to it. So I really couldn't define if you were in it or not. But no, you're in the level 1 threat, which is good. So obviously here for tomorrow is the day you got to look out for. No tornadoes, thankfully. Just a little threat for some gusty winds, maybe 60 to 70 miles an hour at maximum. I don't expect them to be in the 70 mile an hour range, but who knows? They could go crazy. So 60 mile per hour wind gusts out of some storms, 5% chance, really low. And then like I said, in terms of hail here, we're talking a 5% chance for hail, basically up to quarter size to maybe as high as 2 inches in diameter. Could theoretically happen. So, but yeah, tomorrow, very small chance for severe weather, and the day after that, you are in the thunderstorm risk here. This would be for Sunday, so a couple thunderstorms expected, not supposed to be severe. Anyways, there you go, my friend. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got ourselves Braden. Once we take a look here at 26104 tomorrow. 26104 for West Virginia. Okay, so you said for tomorrow. Got you, my friend. Let's see. All right, so for you, you're in the level 1. You're in the marginal risk, the severe threat level 1 out of 5 here for tomorrow. Let's see here. No chance for tornadoes, 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, 60 to 70 miles an hour. And in terms of hail, 5% chance here for possible hail, maybe up to quarter size. I'd say absolute max, 2 inches in diameter, but I don't expect it to get that big. I think, most hail sizes, if it does occur, would probably be between, actually probably quarter size and 1.5 inch hail. Hail's not expected to be that large out there. But anyways, that's that. All right, let's see here. So that was for, that was for Braden. Mary wants me to take a look here for tomorrow as well. Okay, 44691. Let's see, 44691 for Worcester. Okay, so yeah, you got a slight risk. You're right in the middle of that level 2 threat for tomorrow, so got to keep an eye out there for that. Okay, so tomorrow got a level 2 threat for tomorrow. Tornadoes, actually, you're right on that 2% chance. So very low probability for tornadoes. Damaging winds, 15% chance. Okay, so there's a 15% chance within 25 miles of your location of damaging winds existing 60 to 70 miles an hour in terms of wind gusts, that is. Now, whenever it comes to hail on the other side, we're talking a 15% chance as well for possible hail. I'd say quarter size to 1.5 inches in diameter being a possibility. So yeah, tomorrow you got to be looking out for it. 15% chance of severe weather occurring within 25 miles of your location. So be safe out there, my friend, and be weather aware. All right, let's see here. Next up, let's see here. Jim wants me to take a look here at 22602. All right, let's see here. 22602 across portions of Virginia. Okay, so yeah, so tomorrow, yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing today. No thunderstorms expected today. Tomorrow, a couple thunderstorms, and a couple thunderstorms possible Sunday as well. That's kind of it. But yeah, we're not expecting anything there big. All right, let's see here. Proxy, Miss Proxy herself, wants me to take a look here at 44132. Please, Andrew, thanks so much. You're very welcome, Proxy. Also, thank you once again. I cannot say thank you enough for all the support you've given us, Proxy. 44132 across portions. Oh, I knew where that was at. Come on. But anyways, Proxy, you're in a slight risk, and I hate to tell you this, but you are in a 2% tornado threat tomorrow. Okay, so you're going to want to be weather aware. I'm going to be live for it tomorrow, Proxy, so obviously, like I said, I'll be here to cover this for you. But yeah, 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts, possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour, being a possibility here. And in terms of hail, same thing, 15% chance of maybe hail 1 to 2 inches in diameter. So all hazards, I mean, it is on the table, Proxy. Once again, there's a small tornado threat, but once again, what that means is that a couple tornadoes can't be ruled out. Essentially. So the odds of you having tornadoes is actually very low. Very, very low. Like I said, within 25 miles, a 2% chance that, like I said, a 2% chance that a tornado could drop within 25 miles of your location. But anyway, so you go, Proxy. You got to watch out here for tomorrow. That's your day. Today, a couple thunderstorms possible. And for, let's see, Sunday, seems pretty clear. No thunderstorms are expected for Sunday. Looking all right. All right, let's see here. Next up, Daniel wants me to take a look here at 02375. All right, 02375 across portions here in Massachusetts. All right, let's see here. So we have so tomorrow, kind of had a little slip up in my words there. So for tomorrow, okay, so tomorrow's your day. You got a marginal risk level 1. There is a 2% tornado threat for you. Okay, so once again, a really low threat. Not too worried about tornadoes tomorrow for you. Whenever it comes to damaging wind gusts, we have ourselves a 5% chance here for damaging wind gusts. Once again, maybe up to 60. I'd say absolute highest 70, but odds of it getting towards 70 is pretty low. Whenever it comes to hail, also we are talking a 5% chance here for hail, maybe up to quarter size, 1.5 inches in diameter possible. But yeah, so that's for tomorrow, and then obviously for Sunday, a couple thunderstorms possible according to the Storm Prediction Center. So that is kind of what we're looking at there, my friend. That is your weather risk. All right, let's see here. Let's see. North Carolina says, okay, thank you, no problem. Let's see. Bonfire wants me to take a look here at 44704. All right, let's see here. 44704 across portions of Canton, Ohio. We are in a slight risk, severe threat level 1 out of 5. Okay, so yeah, you have that decent risk tomorrow. You have a 2% chance for tornadoes. You're kind of near the edge of it, though. But you have a 2% chance for tornadoes. Let's see, damaging wind gusts, 15% chance. Once again, maybe up to 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Once again, this is a 15% chance of damaging winds, existing 60 to 70 mile per hour winds within 25 miles of your location. If you think of it this way, what is that? An 85% chance that they won't happen? So, like I said, the odds are, still fairly low, but it's enough to be weather aware and constantly watching the weather, as a couple severe thunderstorms will likely produce damaging winds somewhere across Ohio for tomorrow. So pay attention to that. Yeah, and in terms of hail, let's say maybe up to 1 to 2 inches in diameter being possible. But yeah, that is it. And then of course, like I said, for Sunday out in Ohio, it looks, or at least for the central northern side of Ohio, looks pretty clear. Southern Ohio, maybe towards Cincinnati, could see a couple thunderstorms, but yeah, not expected to be severe as of now. But anyways, that is that, my friend. Hopefully that helped you out. All right, let's see here. Next up, all right, so Olympics wants me to take a look here. Let's see here at 64134. All right, see 64134 across portions of Kansas City, Missouri. Okay. So today, yes, today's your day. Let's go ahead and hop over here to today's outlook. So today, my friend, you are in the severe threat level 2 out of 5, okay? Whenever it comes to the overall risk, okay? So you do not have a tornado threat today, which is good news. You have a 15% chance for damaging winds and a 15% chance for hail. So basically, damaging wind gusts with 15% chance of it happening within 25 miles of you. There's a 15% chance that you could have some damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. In terms of hail, we are seeing the possibility here of hail maybe 1 to 2 inches in diameter for today. Theoretically could be possible. So we'll make sure to keep an eye out there for that area. So, like I said, just remain weather aware today and keep an eye out there for as severe weather as possible. For tomorrow, not expecting anything, but I tell you what, you're back in the slight risk again for Sunday. You guys look at this. So here is, Oh, shoot. Here's today's threat, right? So we obviously have, a lot of Missouri included. So then we have tomorrow, Missouri gets out of it, and then for Sunday, Missouri's back in the risk. So that includes you. Obviously, remain a weather aware for Sunday as well, as another round of, same threat, severe weather seems to be possible for you. So like I said, obviously, just keep an eye on it. Yeah, definitely remain weather aware out there, as it's going to be possible for more severe weather on Sunday. All right, let's see here. Thank you as always, says Kayla. You're very welcome. Let's see here. All right. Kai wants me to take a look here at 47302. Pretty pleased, and thank you. No problem. Let's see, 47302. Let's see here, 47302 across portions of Indiana. Okay, so for today, there's no severe weather threat. But tomorrow, you have you're in the marginal risk, that level 1 threat. Okay, so tomorrow there is not a chance for tornadoes, which is good. 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, maybe 60 to 70 miles an hour being possible. And whenever it comes to hail, 5% chance as well, maybe up to quarter size, maybe I'd say a little bit larger, maybe up to 2 inches. An absolute worst case scenario could be possible. But yeah, that's your risk. All right, let's see here. Oh, yeah, so I forgot to talk about the other day. Whoops. So I forgot to talk about Sunday for you. And Sunday, yeah, a couple thunderstorms possible, but not supposed to be severe. That is your threat, my friend. So tomorrow is your day you got to look out for. All right, let's see here. Slug wants me to take a look here at 65109. 65109. Cross portions here of Jefferson City, Missouri. Okay, you have a slight risk here for today. Got a pretty big threat. Also Sunday, watch out for Sunday as well. Not just today, but Sunday too. Keep an eye on it. So whenever it comes to it, no shot for tornadoes, or no chance for tornadoes, which is definitely good. Whenever it comes to damaging winds, we are talking like I said, a 15% chance here for maybe some, damaging wind gusts, maybe up to 60 to 70 miles an hour, 15% chance within 25 miles of your location. Same thing for, hail as well, 15% chance of seeing hail, possibly quarter size to, at absolute most 2 inches in diameter. I'm expecting them to be right around 1 inch in diameter, though, being possible. At absolute worst, like I said, that's a 15% chance happening within 25 miles of you. Does not mean it's going to be over you within that 25-mile region. Just means somewhere within 25 miles of you. 15% chance. But anyways, that's the risk for you. Tomorrow, you got a thunderstorm threat. Shot for a couple thunderstorms. Not supposed to be anything severe. And then Sunday, you're back in that slight risk. Back in the severe weather threat here again for Sunday, which be weather aware for both today and Sunday. So today, Friday, and on Sunday, be weather aware. Kind of give you a little bit of a break in between here for Saturday. So that's definitely some good news. All right, let's see here. All right, next up, let's see here. Thank you for that. You're very welcome. North Carolina wants me to also look at 24236. 24236 across Virginia. Yeah, like I said, we basically talked about a lot of Virginia here. There's really not much expected for Virginia. Today, a couple thunderstorms possible. Tomorrow, a couple thunderstorms possible. And for Sunday, a couple thunderstorms possible. Just a general thunderstorm risk, which basically means that shot for a couple thunderstorms, but they're expected to be just kind of your average summertime thunderstorms, not supposed to be severe or anything like that. But that is essentially what that means. All right, let's see here. I'm glad I asked. I thought it would be a nice day. Yeah, Daniel. Gotcha. Let's see here. But you're very welcome. You guys are very, very welcome. See, not looking forward to the hail. Like I said, it's a very low probability that you'll get hail, but like I said, just keep an eye out there for it, as it can't be can't be completely ruled out, as that is a possible threat. Absolutely. Let's see. Thank you so much. You're very welcome, North Carolina. You are very, very welcome. Alrighty, I guess it's time to release the beast. What do y'all think? Time to let everybody back in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and change this back to subscriber mode. Here we go. Here comes everybody else. Just gotta just waiting for the line to start forming, guys. Wait for it. It'll be here in a few seconds. Oh, there it is, DJ. Uh-oh. Here it comes. 29569. Oh man. 29569. Let's see. South Carolina. Okay, so we're just doing today's forecast for everybody else. For the members, that's when we go extra days out. You got a marginal risk today for severe weather. So a chance for a couple severe thunderstorms. Your threat includes 5% chance for damaging winds and 5% chance for hail being possible. All right, let's see here. Matteo wants me to take a look here at 60625 across Chicago. Slight risk for today. You got yourself a 2% chance for tornadoes, a 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour, and a 5% chance for hail, quarter size to 2 inches in diameter being possible. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got 28K. Once we take a look here at 56301 across portions of St. Cloud, Minnesota. Slight risk level 2 out of 5 here for today, my friend. We are talking not a chance for tornadoes, a 15% chance for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour. And whenever it comes to hail, we are talking ourselves a 15% chance of hail, quarter size to 2 inches in diameter at absolute max. Okay, let's see here. That is kind of what we are looking at. All right, so let's see. Next up, DJ says thank you. You're very welcome. Y'all are very welcome. Let's see. Kurt wants me to take a look here at 53805. 53805 across portions of Wisconsin. So we have a slight risk here. Severe threat level 2 out of 5. Okay. So we are talking. Let's see. I think you're not in that tornado threat, which is good. Yep, you don't have a chance for tornadoes today. Definitely some good. Let's see, damaging winds, 15% chance, 60 to 70 miles an hour. Hail, 15% chance, 1 to 2 inches in diameter possible. All right, let's see here. All right, next up, we got ourselves, see, 52761. We got some storms earlier, and we got flash flooding. Will we get more? Says Julio. So Julio, he said 52761. 52761 for Iowa. Okay, so yeah, you are in the slight risk, so you will possibly see more severe weather today. Yes, that little first round that you've seen this morning, that's not even the main event. The main event hasn't even started yet. The main event's supposed to start here later this evening. I'm kind of shooting maybe to go live around 6 o'clock p.m. today. I'm not exactly sure. I'll just wait. I'll schedule the stream out, and then depending on observations, and I'll continue monitoring it. And then if I start to see things start to lead towards that severe weather event starting to kick off, then that's when I'll pull the plug and say, okay, we're going to go live here. But yeah, no, we'll be live again later today, guys, in order to cover the main event. But like I said, this live stream is just, I do this live stream every day before severe weather happens, just to make sure the general public is prepared for it, and make sure you guys are aware for it. All right, let's see here. But yeah, Julia wants me to. So yeah, once again, chance for a couple thunderstorms. You have a 15% chance for hail, damaging winds. So keep an eye out there for that. All right, let's see here. Cheryl wants me to take a look here at 29681. Let's see here, 29681 across portions of South Carolina. Okay, so you have a marginal risk for today. A 5% chance for damaging wind gusts, 60 to 70 miles an hour. Should remain around 60 miles an hour. And in terms of hail, yeah, 5% chance. So that's kind of what we're talking about here for possible up to quarter size hail. Let's see here. Buck wants me to take a look here at 62901. 62901 for Illinois. Yep, you got the big risk today. Yeah, you got the big risk today. Level 2 out of 5 here for today. Let's see here. Okay, you actually got a 5% hail threat up to quarter size and a 15% chance damaging wind threat. Possibly 60 to 70 miles an hour. So your main concern is actually damaging wind gusts being possible. All right, let's see here. Hathaway wants me to take a look here at 63459. 63459 across Missouri. Okay, so you, my friend. So you're in the slight risk here, level 2. I don't think that's what I was trying to determine if you're in the 2% tornado threat. You're right on the outsides. I don't think you're in a 2% chance though. Damaging winds, 15% chance for damaging wind gusts. Once again, 60 to 70 miles per hour. And like I said, obviously in terms of hail, we have ourselves a 15% chance here as well. That's kind of what we're looking at here. All right, let's see here. Jay wants me to take a look here at 37361. 37361 across Tennessee. Okay, so yeah, general thunderstorm threat today. Nothing too crazy. Just a couple thunderstorms being possible. Like I said, just a couple thunderstorms being possible. All right, let's see here. Jake wants me to take a look here at 62711. 62711 for Springfield, Illinois. Yep, same thing. Level 2 threat today. I don't think Springfield's not in that 2% tornado threat, so there's really not a tornado threat for you guys today, which is good out there in Springfield. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts within 25 miles of you. There's a 15% chance that damaging wind gusts could be 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Once again, these are gusts, what they could peak up to. And whenever it comes to hail, yeah, 15% chance here for that, according to the Storm Prediction Center. So, like I said, overall, that's kind of the threat here for you for today. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Not Sporks one says 60554. We had light rain earlier. 60554 for Illinois. Yep, same thing for y'all. All of you guys are across Illinois. Yeah, slight risk for pretty much the entire state of Illinois is inside the slight risk. So if you guys are in Illinois somewhere, if you all live in Illinois, you're at risk for severe weather. You're in the slight risk level 2 threat. But the hail threat, it breaks up quite a bit. Here, I'll go ahead and show you guys. The hail threat today is not for the whole state. I mean, the entire state has some type of hail threat, but like I said, there's a bigger probability out towards the central and west central side of Illinois, giving you a 15% chance of hail. And like I said, obviously 5% chance everywhere else. See, the main event for severe weather won't start until like 9 hours from now. Yeah, it's gonna be happening this evening. It's gonna be a late event here, late event today. But yeah, no, it is absolutely gonna be a late event. What's up, Tennis? Hope you're doing good. See, gaming says 43004. Let's see here, 43004 for Ohio. Let's see. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, tomorrow's your day. I'd watch out tomorrow for you. Out there kind of towards Columbus. I think you have a marginal, though. No, wow. No, you have a slight risk tomorrow. Okay, yeah, that's right. Damaging wind gusts, 15% chance. Hail, 15% chance tomorrow. So tomorrow's your day. Today's not. A couple thunderstorms still could happen today, but they're not supposed to be anything crazy. Not supposed to be anything too crazy. Where's the tornado threat, says Dalton? The tornado threat today is right here. Little 2% chance area. So basically for central northern Illinois, south central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa, and a very small sliver of northeast Missouri. Yep, that's where the tornado threat is. Once again, it's a 2% chance. It's literally the lowest chance they issue for whenever it comes to tornadoes. This is basically saying, all right, here, I'll go and show you all this. So we have a perimeter here. So 25 miles. So say you're that red dot. So within 25 miles of you, there's a 2% chance a tornado could drop down somewhere in that box. Now, for example, tornado tracks are pretty small compared to this 25-mile perimeter. So, like I said, there's a chance a tornado could drop somewhere around you. That would still count. It does not mean it'll hit directly over you. I mean, like I said, if there is a tornado within 25 miles of you, it does not mean that it's going to be right over you, right? So, like I said, that's a 2% chance for that whole area. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, there's multiple 25-mile boxes or circles that make up this entire 2% zone. So overall, the probability, yes, of having a tornado today is greater than 2%. If you add up all these areas together, I mean, there's going to be a shot for at least a couple tornadoes. You know, it'll possibly happen. Let's see here. Nate says 63138. 63138 for St. Louis, Missouri. Yeah, obviously no tornado threat today. That's to your south. But today's severe weather event for St. Louis does include 15% chance for damaging wind gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour within that 25 miles of you. And in terms of hail, 15% chance as well of seeing hail, basically quarter size to 2 inches in diameter, you know, within 25 miles of you. But yeah. What time do I think that eastern Iowa will get storms? It really ranges on the models. Like the models are a little, you know, a little unsure. But let me pull up the HRRR. So here's the HRRR model, kind of projecting the future here. Let's see. So you said for where? You said for eastern Iowa, or yeah, eastern Iowa. Okay. You know, honestly, the latest model hardly shows anything happening towards eastern Iowa. Kind of has like two separate clusters up north towards Wisconsin and one down towards Missouri. But once again, take this seriously with a grain of salt. These models are not accurate. I mean, they can be accurate, but like I said, they're not something you should fully trust. But, you know, the most likelihood of you seeing severe weather would likely be after 8 p.m. Yeah. Let's see. Slow mode stop spamming. I always thought it was so like I could read all the messages. Yeah, it stopped spamming from people spamming zip codes. Let's see here. Mr. Grimm says 62703. All right, let's see here. 62703 for Springfield. Yeah, we just talked about Springfield like 2 minutes ago. Once again, no tornado threat for y'all. There's a 15% chance for damaging winds and a 15% chance for hail. So 15% chance for hail, 1 to 2 inches in diameter. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts, basically 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. In terms of wind gusts, that's kind of the overall view. But that's that. Julio says, thank you. You're very, very welcome. No problem. No problem. Let's see. A lot of severe warnings to go live, likely close to 6 to 7. Yeah, that's kind of what it seems like. It seems like it's going to be another late event like yesterday. I mean, yesterday it was kind of a late event itself. I mean, storms happened, what, like 6 o'clock yesterday? Seems like that's going to be around the same time whenever these ones fire off. So we still got a couple hours before the main event starts. Yeah, so we still got a few hours or several hours before this happens. Mr. Grimm says thanks, bud. No problem. No problem. But anyways, well that's that, y'all. Once again, like I said, if you guys have any zip codes, feel free to throw them in the chat. I'll try to get to y'all. I just want to make sure that y'all watching can be prepared for today's severe weather because, like I said, I mean today, you know, the threat is decent, but it covers a large area, right? So the more larger of an area you have in a decent severe weather threat increases the overall probability of seeing severe weather for today. And since we have such a large threat, let's see how many we have. Yeah, 31 million people, 31.2 million people inside today's level 2 threat. And we have 38 million people in today's level 1 threat. So we have over 70 million people at risk for severe weather today. Over 70 million people. That's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. Let's see here. TV Man wants me to take a look here at 44224. Let's see, 44224. Ohio. Yeah, tomorrow's your day. Okay, you're towards Proxy, actually. You're a little bit south of Proxy, but you have a 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow. Let's see here. In terms of damaging winds, 15% chance, 60 to 70 miles per hour. In terms of wind gusts and hail, 15% chance here for hail, basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter, possibly. So that's your threat. Let's see. TRG due to clear skies forecast for 24112. All right. All right. TRG. Oh wow, clear skies. All right, next. I'm kidding. Let's see. So actually, yeah, I did do a couple areas in Virginia. There's a chance for a couple thunderstorms. You're in that thunderstorm risk. You probably, yeah, you know what that is. A TSTM risk here for the next 3 days. There's a shot for a couple thunderstorms. Kind of just nothing more than just normal summertime thunderstorms. But yeah, you're right. Clear sky forecast. All right, let's see here. Next up, we have Steve 35125. 35125 for Alabama towards, what was that, Pell City? Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so you're not in Alabama. You're the first person in Alabama we covered today. Let's see. Actually, I think you are in the marginal today. You're barely in it if you are. Nope, you're not. Look at that. You lucked out, my friend. You're not in the risk for severe weather. Just a general thunderstorm threat. Talking a few thunderstorms, nothing severe. Yeah, you're in the thunderstorm threat for the next 3 days. From now until Sunday. So, you know, a couple thunderstorms, but you're good. No severity is expected out of them. All right, let's see here. Robin 44601. 44601 for Alliance, Ohio. Yeah, tomorrow's your day as well. Let's see. Dude, day 2 tornado threat. Yep. See, you're in a dark green. So that's that 2% tornado threat for tomorrow. So odds are very low of you getting a tornado, but like I said, it's a small threat, for a couple tornadoes. Yeah, today's tornado threat actually, or tomorrow's tornado threat actually extends into quite some populated territories. I'll tell you that. I mean, you could literally see all the way from northeastern Ohio, going through central southern New York State, through southern Vermont, into southwestern New Hampshire, obviously Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut included, central northern, let's see here, New Jersey, into basically the upper portion of Pennsylvania, and we're back to northeastern Ohio here. So, like I said, that's kind of what we're looking at. That does include Buffalo, which Mr. Snow Gaming says, what's happening around Buffalo? Yeah, possibility, 2% chance for tornadoes. Keep an eye on it. Tomorrow's threat also for Buffalo. Let's see here. Yeah, and for the same area we're just looking at, both areas 15% chance for hail and damaging winds. Damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, and hail basically 1 to 2 inches in diameter, possibly for both of you guys. All right, let's see here. Ash wants me to take a look here at 46205. 46205. If I accidentally skip over you guys, I'm so sorry. So I'm not trying to. I'm just somewhat trying to keep up with chat and somewhat trying to get through all these zip codes here. So Indiana, tomorrow would be your threat. Got a level 1 threat here for today or for tomorrow. So like I said, keep it on it. 5% chance for damaging winds and no chance for hail, actually. So look out for some gusty winds tomorrow. Let's see here. Lost Legacy says, let's see, 43517. 43517, right? 43517. Okay, cool. Ohio. Okay, you're Northwest Ohio. Gotcha. Okay. You, my friend, are like right. You're right between two marginals, actually. So you really don't have that big of a severe weather threat, believe it or not. If you were to see anything, it would likely be small hail and gusty winds, maybe. So that's that. Let's see here. Thorn says 61356. 356 for Illinois. Let's go and hop back to today's outlook, y'all. Yep, you got a slight risk, my friend. Level 2 out of 5 for today. Let's see here. So your probability here includes 2% tornado threat. Okay, so there's a 2% chance for, a couple brief spin-up tornadoes. By the way, guys, we're going to head off here at 12 o'clock. Like I said, we do an hour preparedness stream, and then we do the live coverage for a couple hours later on today. But yeah, 2% chance here, y'all. Or for you, my friend. Damaging wind gusts, 15% chance here for, once again, possibly some damaging wind gusts, 60 to 70 miles an hour. In terms of hail, there is a 5% chance for hail basically up to quarter size. Maybe slightly larger. At absolute worst case scenario, could be possibly up to 2 inches. Let's see here. All right, next up, we got ourselves tennis. Let's see, 89124. 89124 for Nevada. Let's see here. Today, there's no threat for severe weather or any thunderstorms, actually. Same thing for the day after, and same thing for the day after. Yeah, next 3 days, you're not expecting any severe weather or any thunderstorms, per se. All right, let's see here. Andrew, I know, got clear skies. All right, well, Carson, you don't need a personal forecast then. If you know what you're expecting, man. Let's see. Kayla says we'll definitely be back on the stream later. All right, sounds good. What's up, Tori? Hope you're doing good, Tori. Glad to have you here. Steve said we'll come back later for sure. Sounds good, Steve. Yeah, like I said, we'll be covering this event today, y'all. We'll be making sure that we cover it. Because, like I said, a lot of people are at risk today. So make sure y'all be weather aware. See you later, Gaming Gavin. Let's see. This is Lynn XO. We'll also take a look here at 63385. 63385 for Missouri. Yep, level 2 threat. No tornadoes today, though. Watch out for Sunday, too. Another threat for you. Another slight risk. But yeah, so no tornado threat today. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour. And whenever it comes to hail, yeah, 15% chance here. 1 to 2 inches in diameter, possibly. Thorn says, thanks, buddy. You're awesome. God bless you. Thank you, man. It's greatly appreciated, Thorn. And you are very, very welcome. No problem. Anytime. Let's see here. But yeah, that's kind of what we are seeing here. Let's see. Did I get everybody? Looks like I might have got most people here. All right. I'm on a roll today, y'all. Got a lot of these zip codes done. Like I said, we started with the members, and then we worked our way to everybody else. Shoot, we got a lot of people, guys. If you've not already, please consider subscribing, guys. Be greatly appreciated. Like I said, seriously, it means a lot to us. Definitely helps out the channel and helps spread awareness. The more, obviously, the more you guys distribute this as well. Like I said, if you guys could maybe share this live stream and tell your family and friends to subscribe, that way it will distribute and that we can reach the word out to as many people as possible. That's the main risk here, or that's the main the main thing. The main thing is to get everybody aware. Kathleen says day 4 15%. Yes, there is. Yep. Yeah, I've been watching that. It's actually for me as well. So yeah, so we have a 15% chance. Another day of possible severe weather here for Monday. It's highlighting areas towards like Kentucky, north central Indiana, or north central Tennessee, southern Indiana, and kind of southern portions of Ohio, and actually central and western West Virginia. Do I think there'll be another outbreak in the future, like the March 31st one? Probably not anytime soon. Although you never know. We already did have a moderate risk across the Mid-Atlantic, so I don't know. It's hard telling. This August has been a crazy month so far. We went from July, just kind of normal severe weather events, like marginal, slight, just slight risks almost every day. And then as soon as August hit, it just like, bam, bunch of severe weather events popping off. It's crazy. Good morning, Kyle. Let's see here. Could I do a model run over Buffalo? Yeah, I can do that for you. Let's see here. Got the H. Oop, that's not the model. I'll do HRRR for you. That's the high resolution rapid refresh. Brand new 14 Zulu run. I don't think it's out yet, unless it is. Let's see here. Uh-oh. What's going on with my models here? Let's see. We'll hop back to a composite. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Okay, so yeah. Honestly, today you have a general thunderstorm threat. I guess we'll have to go with the never accurate model. We'll have to go with the NAM. The NAM stands for never accurate model. Let's see here. So the NAM, the crazy NAM 3K it is, shows some storms rolling through actually pretty early tomorrow. Yeah, and then a couple more for the evening hours. So first round maybe right around 5 a.m. Another round maybe 8 p.m. Like I said, take that seriously with a grain of salt. That's going to be very unlikely. Those timings are very unlikely, considering that, like I said, considering, like I said, the models are, never perfect. They never are. By the way, y'all, here's the current radar view. I meant to talk about this here earlier, but yeah, we have a little bit of a wave of convection rolling through southeast or kind of south central Illinois right now. There was a report in Springfield of actual, a couple trees down, apparently. Yeah. Let's see here. Gregory wants me to take a look here at 46725. Alright, let's see here. 46725 for Indiana. Okay. Yeah, I got a marginal risk today, but tomorrow I think you got that level 2, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, sorry, no. I was thinking of Ohio. Yeah, tomorrow you have a marginal as well. Your main concern is just for a few gusty winds and maybe some small hail. Between today and tomorrow, it's possible. Let's see. You should go and do chasing stuff. Eventually, I'd like to. Pretty cool. But I like just doing coverage here, honestly. See, do I think a tornado will happen at 48064? Definitely. Just kidding. 48064. This is for Michigan. Yeah, I don't think there's any tornado threat up in Michigan. Nope. Yeah, there's no tornado threat for the next 2 days. You're good. Let's see here. Do I think that we'll get an enhanced risk? Okay. Possibly if models can come to an agreement. If models can, because right now they're far-fetched. They're all like, we don't know what's going to happen, right? Models are like, they don't know what's going to happen at what time. Showing a couple clusters. Models are a little right now. If we can get some more organization out of the later models before the main event kicks off, then theoretically maybe. But I wouldn't count on it. I wouldn't count on an upgrade risk, but that's me. All right. Would I be surprised if it didn't? Yeah. Like I said, would I be surprised if I didn't? Yeah. I mean, would I be surprised if it did happen? Yeah, I would. Or I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know. Anyways. See, definitely and 100% something you never hear from a forecaster. Absolutely. Definitely. But anyways. Let's see here. Thank you so much. I'm in Northern Illinois, says TF. No problem. But yeah, like I said, y'all got to watch out today, yo. Once again, today's biggest threat does include, obviously, East Central Minnesota. Obviously, Wisconsin. The entire state of Illinois is in that slight risk level 2 threat. Obviously, a lot of Missouri is as well, and East Central Kansas is in that threat as well. Kind of northeastern, I should say. Northeastern Kansas, a couple counties in southeast Nebraska. But yeah. Tomorrow early morning, we were supposed to get some bad weather for 62902. Let's see, Illinois. You said tomorrow morning? You're probably going to get it tonight, late tonight. Tomorrow, I mean, yeah, no, you are at a marginal risk tomorrow morning too, actually. Interesting. Yeah, you got a 5% tornado, or sorry, 5% wind threat, 5% hail threat as well, but no tornado threat, which is good. Tomorrow's tornado threat's up northeast, kind of for like as far west as like northwestern Ohio, going all across a lot of the populated northeast with a 2%. Why do people saying 5%? 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow and today. All right, Caden, once we take a look here at 51239, let's see here, 51239 for Iowa. Yeah, you got a marginal risk today, my friend. Odds are, the odds are limited. No tornadoes today. 5% chance for damaging winds and 5% chance for hail. So, yeah, the odds of you getting anything is pretty low. Rebecca, let's see, 60156. My family's up there. Let's see here. 60156, 60156 for, let's see, Illinois. Yeah, like I said, anywhere in Illinois is under the slight risk here. But you're towards Chicago, so you are included with that 2% risk out there. But yeah. Let's see, is this the NWS rain/severe threat model? The only areas I saw risk for tornadoes today on my end was a 2% in northwest Missouri, Illinois. So yeah, this is the convective outlook issued by the Storm Prediction Center. So this is, the real deal. The tornado threat, I can change that over right here. So yeah, today's tornado threats for northeastern Missouri, basically portions of eastern Iowa, central northern Illinois, and southern portions of Wisconsin. Like I said, 2% chance within 25 miles. There's a 2% chance a tornado could drop somewhere within 25 miles there. It doesn't have to be right over you, but it could be somewhere within 25 miles. If you think about it, 98% chance within 25 miles that a tornado won't happen. So odds are fairly low. Yeah, the odds are fairly low. Let's see here. Jessica wants me to take a look here at 49036. Let's see, 49036. Okay, this is for Michigan. Let's see, southern side. Today you got a level 1 threat. Let's see, 5% damaging wind gusts, 60 mile per hour winds possible. Hail up to quarter size. Kind of looks like for tomorrow you have a thunderstorm threat. Chances for a couple thunderstorms, but not supposed to be severe. And then for Sunday, we're talking pretty clear. Pretty much clear. Let's see here. Tori says, thank you so much for all you do. Honestly, trust you better than our news here. Oh, that's sweet, Tori. Thank you so much. And you are very, very welcome. See, Henry, once we take a look here at, let's see, 56452. Let's see, 56452 for Minnesota. I think you're. Let's see here. I think you might be in the risk today. Yep, you are. You have a slight risk, level 2. Let's see here. No chance for tornadoes. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts and 15% chance here for hail. So damaging wind gusts probably between, like I said, maybe 60 to 70 tops, and hail between 1 and 2 inches in diameter, possibly. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. Mario says, look at the Cape. Yeah, I saw it. Wasn't it over 4,000 joules per kilogram? I was looking at the models here yesterday about that. ML Cape. Let's see here. Yeah, some areas nearly 4,000. Seems kind of capped out, though, according to NAM, but NAM is NAM. yeah. Instability is about 3 to 4,000 joules per kilogram. It's plenty enough. More than you need, really. Let's see here. Alex 42101. By the way, guys, we're getting ready to head off here pretty soon in 3 minutes or so. Because like I said, we do this for an hour, and then we've almost been live here for an hour, so we're getting ready to call it a stream here. So I'll do a couple more here before we head off. Let's see here. North Carolina. We already did you, dude. Trying to get the people who haven't got theirs yet. Alex, once we take a look here at 42101. 42101 for Bowling Green, Kentucky. Gotcha. Yeah, tomorrow, you're in a marginal risk there. Yep. No tornado threat, which is good. 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts at worst is possible across your 5% region for gusty winds. Whenever it comes to hail here, 5% chance as well. For basically hail, maybe up to 1 to 2 inches in diameter possible, but that's that. Yeah, tomorrow's your day. All right, let's see here. See, George wants me to take a look here at 50262. Didn't we already do that? 50262. I feel like we've already done this. Guess we didn't. Let's see. We're going to change back to the day 1 outlook here, y'all. You barely made it in that slight risk, man. You barely made it. Let's see here. No tornado threat. 15% chance for damaging wind gusts up to 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts, the absolute worst. And hail whenever it comes to it. We're talking, like I said, we're talking essentially hail here, between 1 and 2 inches in diameter possible. Let's see here. Yeah, I see that Trapper is spamming here. Okay, so let's see. Next up, we got Scott. Once we take a look here at 55068. 55068 for Minnesota. Gotcha. Okay, yeah, you have a slight risk, level 2. Level 2 threat here for today. So we'll have to keep an eye out there for it. That's actually out there towards Minneapolis region. Yeah, towards Minneapolis. So there is a shot, 15% chance here for some damaging wind gusts. Once again, some damaging wind gusts, possibly between 60 and 70 mile per hour winds. And whenever it comes to hail, yeah, 15% chance for 1 to 2 inches in diameter there. Let's see. Tori gifting 1 membership. Thank you so much, Tori. To DJ, you got the membership, dude. Tori, thank you so much. Very sweet of you. Big shout out. Thank you so much for that. Let's see. Blaze 63005. 63005 for Missouri. Yep, level 2 today. Out there towards St. Louis. No chance for tornadoes. 15% chance for damaging winds. 15% chance for hail. Yeah. NWS Chicago is saying they are unsure we will get any severe weather. They put us down to a 20 to 30% chance of thunderstorms. Are you seeing anything different? Let's see here. Let me pull up the thunderstorm forecast here. Yeah, right now it keeps you in a 10% chance of seeing thunderstorms. The odds are, like I said, the odds are very uncertain of where is going to see severe weather. But this whole area in the environment is conducive for thunderstorm activity, for possibly severe thunderstorm activity. Here, I'll go ahead and show you guys this. This is the projected possibilities for thunderstorms. So obviously later on by this afternoon and evening here, basically by this evening here, you can see how the probability increases. mostly across, like Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, northeastern, Iowa, and central Missouri. That's where the confidence is higher, but still, rather than that, the odds is still, once again, the odds are still pretty much unknown. Once again, it's a lot of clustered severe weather. If they knew where the severe weather was going to happen, they would possibly increase it to a enhanced, but like I said, I don't think they will. I personally don't think so. But anyways, all right, let's see here. Yeah. Once again, Tori, thank you so much. Very, 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 very sweet of you. All right. Reason I skip over you, dude, is because you keep on spamming your zip code, man. Like I said, if you keep on spamming, you're giving other people's chances not much of a see. Basically, spamming, you're flooding your zip code rather than other people's being seen. So that's why we skip over people like you. Yeah. So if you don't spam, then maybe eventually I'll get to you. Just saying. Just not fair to others. But all right, guys. Well, I tell you what, I think that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this live stream. If you guys did enjoy it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Got to give a big shout out to today's supporters here. Let's go ahead and see. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and move over to, or I'm gonna look and see. I have to give a big shout out to our supporters here for today. Let's see here. We had Jim becoming a Category 1 supporter. Thank you so much, Jim. We had Proxy with the Venmo and the Super Chat. Very, very sweet. And also, we had ourselves Tori gifting 1 membership. Thank you guys so much. All of y'all. So, Tori, Jim, and Proxy, thank you guys so much. Y'all absolutely rock. Really appreciate y'all. Yeah, we went a little bit over an hour today, so, it is what it is. Let's see. Will I go live later? Yes. Yeah, I will. Like I said, what I'm doing now is I'm doing live streams to prepare people around 11 o'clock every day. Every day there's a decent severe weather event. I go live at 11 o'clock a.m. to give everybody a word of what's going to, possibly going to happen. And then whatever time the severe weather kicks off, I do another live stream. So yeah, we'll be live later on today to cover this event here. This live stream is just to prepare you guys for this event. So that's that. Okay, guys. Well, we'll catch you guys later on. Once again, if you all enjoyed it, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Be greatly appreciated. And share this, guys. If you guys can share this, it'd be greatly appreciated. Like I said, obviously, like I said, if you guys can share this, help distribute it. It'll help bring, obviously, bring more people to awareness and stuff like that to make sure that, once again, that everybody makes sure that y'all understand what's going on here. Because, like I said, today could be a pretty interesting day out. So like I said, obviously the more people we can alert, the more people can be prepared for it. But anyways, all right, you guys. Well, we're going to go ahead and head over to the ending screen here for now. Once again, we'll be back later on today. I'm not sure what time. I'm estimating after 4 or 5 o'clock. I'd say probably around 6 maybe I'll go live. It depends. Once again, it depends on when storms decide they want to start firing. Whenever they do, then I am going to be, like I said, then I'm going to be essentially going live at that time. Let's see, TF says, awesome. Thank you. Very welcome. I'm a new subscriber. Well, thank you, TF. That's very sweet. And like I said, glad to have you aboard. Thank you so much for subscribing. Very, very nice of you. And okay, guys. Well, y'all take care. Once again, we love y'all. Please be safe out there. Once again, we'll be live here later on today. Not sure what time yet, but maybe around 6 o'clock or something. Just whatever storms decide they want to pop off, then we'll be live. Okay, guys. Y'all take care. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. And we'll catch you guys later on. All right, y'all. Stream's heading off here in 2 minutes. Go ahead and say goodbye to your friends and family, and we'll catch you guys later on. Peace out, my friends. See you then.